All right, guys, what's up? We're here practicing at the RSC. I'm gonna fix some of our stuff from the US Open. Came from me, came down to spare shooting, trying to play straighter with a little higher ball speed for me at the Masters and Open. I'm trying to get a little straighter on the lane, not open it up and slow hook it like I usually do on the tour.
For me, it's all about speed control. Going to try to slow it down a little bit. Seem like the guys out there like to get left a little bit more and keep the ball speed slow, open up the angles a little bit, and let the ball actually read the lane and let it hook. And so a lot of the times what I did was throw it too hard and then it would 210, wash out, and split.
Yeah.
Which is not what you want, obviously.
No, definitely spare. At the Masters, at least, spares was the name of the game. Cut was -50. So that's a lot what I'm going to work on today. And for him, a lot of the US Open was trying to keep your speed slow with all the oil they put out there. So here we go. Well, I made it. Yeah. So I think for me at the Masters, I missed two 247s. I missed two of them. And it ended up, the last one ended up costing me the match. I got one because my ball actually hooked into the two. So during the entire US Open and the rest of the Masters, I decided I was going to throw slightly, it's not really a backup ball, it's just kind of a cutter. Make sure, if anything, it's going to hook a little left towards the 247 instead of away from it, where I might get one. This time I'll at least chop it, get two, give myself a chance.
Get that one camera.
Oh, let's go. Look at Kep in the background. All right, yeah, so a lot of times, the reason I'm practicing playing straight, throwing it harder, is because a lot of times on tour, they require the opposite. They require us to move deeper in, 10, 15, throw it super slow, pitch it dead left and out at the Masters.
Foot is ready now on the 3-0. Foot is ready.
Out at the Masters and US Open, a lot of it was keeping the ball a little more in front of you not necessarily not throwing it right to left at the gutter, but just keeping it a little further in front of you, playing further left with your feet. It might have been the type of oil they used, it might have been the lane beds, but a lot of it was just playing straighter, using more speed to keep your ball on line, but then again, not too much speed to shoot your ball past the spot. So that's why I'm practicing what I'm practicing, and clearly I need more practice. The Hoagland patterns are dead walled. Roll is so big.
Well, I mean, here's why practice was important to me.
I think I might be 16. It's hard to tell. Retired, 16 pounds, idiots.
You can see from that one, which if we take a look here, 16.8. So generally, my average speed's probably about 17 and a half. And they say you want to be able to go up a mile an hour, mile and a half hour, and same thing on the way down. A couple of them that have struck were right around 16, 16.1. That one was 16.8. So pushed a little bit longer, came in behind the head. But it's closer, it's getting better.
All right, so finishing up the practice session, not bad. Figured out that one of my balls was 16 pounds and I'm never gonna throw it again. So that was pretty good, but shot some spares, worked on playing straighter. Even with the urethane, you know, it's still useful. I was a little out of practice with urethane. A lot of those guys only throw urethane. A lot of those lefties only throw urethane and have a lot of success with it. So I thought, you know, for me, brought a black hammer down, practice playing straighter, throwing it harder, rolling it more, all of the things that were useful both at the Masters and the US Open. Masters was a little harder, US Open was a little slower, but both tournaments I had to roll it a ton and make sure that my ball came off the spot the right way instead of going either too far down lane or using surface to slow it down up front and then having my ball hooked too early. But good practice session overall. Brandon threw some shots, worked on some speed control as well, which is probably the biggest difference in amateur bowling and professional bowling, is those guys' ability to control their speed, throw it slower, throw it harder, and still make good shots. So until the next practice session.